Hello everyone, my name is MANS from Learn with MANS, and this is the book of the physical inventory process in real time, and this is the copyrighted book, and we have here the details, barcodes or ISBN number. And if you're looking for a specialization book into the physical inventory process, so this is the book cover actually. I do books printing based on demand and the physical copies, and this is the physical inventory implementation guide and process flow. So here in this book practically I explain, and also with the theoretical how we process with the physical inventory with the lesser quantity or exceeded quantity when we do the counting, and we have much more inside this book. Also, how the difference analyzer helps as a bridge linker in between both the layers of the S/4HANA embedded system or inside the server, like into the EWM layer and ERP layer. How the difference analyzer, it's an interface actually. Difference analyzer works as an interface to bring the differences from EWM to ERP layer to be adjusted. Okay, so much more things I have mentioned in this book. Okay, if you're looking for a perfect book or like deep dive into the physical inventory process, configuration guide with the configuration steps, process flows, with the theory, with the real-time implementation guides, okay, please refer my this book, guys. Okay, so this is the book. I am the author of this book. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you again.